about Deepak's retirement. Deepak's retirement in T20 series are developed in squad of South Africa member and 36 series in the played in the world and Pakistan T20 series has Fed pulses are playing in 51 and 69 matches are played in Pakistan and 51 centuries and 21 50 and played in Pakistan. Deep pulses are retirement for this T20 series and played in 51 centuries and 21 50s are in total gaming. Today my topic is
My topic is same. My heart is care, and the time is right to walk into the new chapter. New chapter. New chapter. New places. Sad and statement on Wednesday. It it has been on for my country in in all the in all the farmers of the game, but the time has come to meet from Test cricket. The next 2 years are T20 World Cup years. Topics.
Today my topic is about printer. Printers, copies, hardware and documents and many pages. Fax machine can be send message and receive message by a telephone line. He cannot take internet and he can he can send safely and responsibly. He can save and receive message. Thank you.
Next.
During the match between Sri Lanka and Australia, when Australia was but a very loud appeal from the Sri Lanka
that he was out was upheld by the umpire. However, when he had walked about to third of the way back to pavilion, a very surprised cement.
But later, beautiful now, all the night, smarted by the waters. Today is eyes his for like to open the head about years in it opened this. What is this? What your date?
That is a book. What is this?
This is book. This is
What is that?
what your date? Date is class.
Today my topic is about how to clean. Arif is a very dirty boy. Every day he get up and make his bed. After this he brush his teeth. Then he take a bath and clean his body with soap.
Today our topic is about how to clean. Arif taking bath. He always fresh, clean clothes. Arif is very careful before eating his meals. He always washing his hands with soap and water. What is skeleton? The inside body is called skeleton. How many bones?
3.
How many bones in an adult man? 206 bones. 206 different bones in an adult man. What is job of marrow? Marrow helps to make blood. Name or 4 invertebrate animals. Number 1, jellyfish. Number 2, starfish. Number 3, earthworm. Number 4, ladybird. And what is the jelly-like substance in bone? The jelly-like substance in bone is called marrow.